come on and wake up. Listen to your heart now. See what's going on. We can make it together. We can find a way. Co-creations, new generations. You're a champion, you already won.
Welcome back. I'm Tia Turnbull, your champion of champions. This is Keep It 100, and you are now learning the difference between feelings and accusations when you're in communication with someone. So you see something and you're communicating that with someone else and you want to tell them how you feel about it. But instead of saying a feeling, you say what you're accusing them of doing. And that is argumentative, and that can cause an escalated conflict. Like, these are all conflicts. Conflict's not a bad thing. But what it can cause is an argument. You don't want an argument, you want a collaboration. So you go to them in order to collaborate, but then they feel like you're accusing them of something instead of sharing with them how you feel. And that can escalate into an argument. Okay, so the difference between feelings and accusations are, so feelings are actual things that you feel, like I feel sad. So here's some feelings. Feelings are scared, annoyed, frustrated, disgusted, appalled, hesitant, detached, miserable, hurt, tired, helpless, fragile, anxious, disappointed, gloomy. Okay, these are feelings. Okay, these are things that happen inside your body. Okay, but accusations are when you're saying, you did this to me, but you use the words I feel in a very sneaky way. You say, I feel attacked. What you're really saying is, you attacked me. Instead of, if I can't feel attacked unless I've been attacked. So you have to ask yourself, is this a feeling inside my body, or is this something you did to me? You're going to ask yourself that question. Okay, so some accusations are, I feel criticized, I feel disrespected, I feel humiliated, I feel offended, I feel worthless, I feel controlled, I feel manipulated, I feel punished, I feel threatened, I feel violated, I feel blamed, I feel abused, I feel attacked, I feel untrusted. Okay? So what you're really telling them is, I think you did this to me. You're not telling them, I feel this inside myself. When you say, I feel it, you're being responsible for what's happening inside of you. When you're telling them what they did to you, then you are projecting over onto them the responsibility for what's happening to you. Okay, so I'm going to say some words, and then you think in your mind, is this a feeling or is this an accusation? Okay, here we go. Disbelieved. Guilt-tripped. Insulted. Lethargic. Bored. Startled. Livid. Hopeless. Ridiculed. Stereotyped. Perplexed. Ambivalent. Dread. Panicked. Suspicious. Okay? Can you hear the difference in those? I will put the answers to those in the, whatever it's called, the messages below. All right, so you can see what the answers to those are. Make your guesses, and then you can look there to see if you got them right. Okay, so when you're in a conversation with someone, you want to tell them your feelings. You don't want to accuse them of something. Okay? So this is Tia Turnbull, your champion of champions, and this is Keep It 100. And these are 100 strategies that you can use to get yourself from where you were to where you want to be. And this will smooth the ride when you're communicating with other people. If you like these kind of videos and you like to receive more of them when they come out, hit the like, subscribe, and tap the bell. And always remember to champion yourself to be a champion.